Hi. Hi.
Yeah, I don't care. Hola. Good morning. Good afternoon. No,
It's afternoon. No.
Almost. This much.
This much. I think someone needs to go out.
Yeah, it took a while. 6:30.
No. I think he needs to go out again.
Your turn.
Sure.
Your turn. Not her. You guys.
We're heading to the store. Where? Again. He's driving. I'm being a distraction. My bad.
I am driving, really? I'm having a baby.
You're such
I got which one's going up.
Oh! Okay, hold on. Let me see if I can throw it high.
Put the lights out. Hilarious.
Oops. It's a pretty day today. Very pretty. Actually, it's a really nice day. Like, how? It's probably about like 65?
Yeah.
Ish. Yeah. It's a pretty nice day. Pretty nice day, Mom. Mom.
Hey, Jamaica man. I am from Jamaica, man.
I really suck at that accent.
You and me both, my friend.
Look at him.
Cute.
He's just so cute. Him and his little fluffy ears. You're a good boy. You are. Hi, Whitney.
Oh, okay. So, what, you like Harry Potter? No? Why not? Oh, really? Did you see the first one? You saw the first one? Okay, but did you like the first one? Toby, did you like the first one? Okay.
What, Toby, you weren't even born with the first one. You
Okay, well, how
couldn't
about
have
the
seen
fifth
it.
one? Did you see the fifth one?
He wasn't born during the fifth one either.
Look at this conversation impossible yet.
I imagine you're sympathetic.
And that is chocolate covered strawberries with powdered sugar on top. Delicious.
Good stuff.
We just wanted to say Happy Mother's Day to all of the mothers out there.
Yep.
Yep. So, I know I already called my mommy today. We actually sent her flowers and a teddy bear. Yep. So, like, in the comments, go ahead and leave us what you guys left for your mothers, or if you're a mother, what your kids got you, or, you know, because it's a special day. It shows everyone, you know, that all moms, I think, work hard, and they really do deserve to, you know, definitely get recognized for all the good things that they have done, because...
All the ones that take care of their children,
Yeah. So, Happy Mother's Day.
Mother's Day, yes.
Yeah. What? No. No. Damn it. You're mean. I'm gonna get you.
You got me that one
of
time.
these days.
You got me that one time. I'll admit it on camera. On the record last week, she did scare me. That was the first time I had
A few
joke
months,
scaring in a while.
actually.
Yeah.
You heard the
I
camera?
heard the camera go, I didn't see you in there. I didn't see this in here. And I went,
Damn it.
my spidey senses started tingling and shit.
Mayo, you and Kobe Jack cheese.
Yes! I got it on camera. I got it on camera. I scared him on camera. Now you guys all have him. Then I scared him. I scared him. I scared him. Ha ha.
I knew you were there.
No, you didn't. You got scared. Admit it.
You were there.
Don't lie.
I knew you were there, and I
Don't
know why.
lie.
Because you were too quiet.
You lie. I still scared you though. It's really bright.
Yeah, good order. really bright.
Good morning, M&M's.
Good morning. So anyway, I got back from my interview.
And I just woke up a few minutes ago.
The place that I interviewed is literally right down the street. It's 5 minutes away from here.
Oh, that's not too bad.
Yeah, right down Kansas State Road. It was a good interview. I feel good about it. So hopefully they call, and hopefully everything works out. I prayed about it. I put it in God's hands, and it's all good. I did my part. Now it's up to God. You know, if it's His will, it'll work, and if it's not, then it won't. You know?
What are you gonna wake up for?
Change the way it's more.
Alright, so we're starting our day now. I gotta edit the video. That's why we're doing this right now. So, hi and bye, because we're saying peace out.
And deuces.
Because we went to bed really early last night. And
Like 11:30, old early. Yeah, I got like literally 2 hours of sleep. Literally 2 hours of sleep.
probably because I kept
I
waking
tossed
him
and
up all
turned, and then
night.
she tossed and turned, and then she got out of bed, and then I followed her to the couch, and then I still didn't sleep, and then we went back to bed, and I still didn't sleep, and I laid there staring at the goddamn ceiling for probably, I know, I'm not kidding, 5 hours. And then I got up at like 6:30 this morning, and I went, well, all right, I'm getting up. Let's go start this day. I'm like an hour of sleep, so I'm like manic as fuck right now.
I can tell.
Seriously, I'm like, but it's all good. I'm not tired.
So we're here at my brother's crash site now, and Michael's pulling weeds.
Right.
So this is where he got in the accident, and so come here every year, and lots of little crops. My brother's name's Alan. There's we're leaving you a chocolate cupcake there, brother.